oil change in my car. I've left it a little bit later than normal. I always, every year I normally get it done around the same time, but this year a few months late. So that's where I'm off. I'm gonna go to the car shop now, get some oil filter and some oil. I'm gonna change my oil in my car. Ain't going anywhere without my money. Right, and here's my wallet. I'm picking up a oil filter, oil. Online it was.
Right, what's the name?
Philip Lock. Cool, so there's all the parts sorted. There's only a couple. I'm not doing the spark plugs or the leads or anything. I didn't do them. Well, I did them not long back, so only a few months like. The chasing the receipt down the road, like. Put these in there. Cool, let's go and get dirty. Okay, so the car's up on the ramp, so I'm gonna just go in and have some breakfast. I'm gonna let the car cool down, and need to let the oil basically run down to the sump before I change it. That's about right, I think, isn't it? It's level. So because it's on a hill, ramps more level. So come back to that now in a minute. Alright then, it's time. I ain't no mechanic, so hopefully this should be fun. Oh, okay. Let's do it. Okay, so that's the service all sorted. Bit of a nightmare trying to get my oil filter off. I didn't have an oil filter remover or anything. I'd get like a screwdriver and stab it and get it off. So I've done it, I managed to do it, but messy, full of oil. So yeah, that is the oil change. Alright, so I finished my car. It's all sorted. Couldn't believe it though, when I emptied the sump bar, there was only 1.8 litres in my car. There's supposed to be 3.8. So I don't know if I have a leak or whether it's just used a lot of oil. I'm not too sure, but I was lucky I have done that now, because who knows when that would have went bang. See that piece of crap there? It's a Trax TFS1 ladies full suspension. I would advise not to buy that piece of crap. And it's quite funny because every time I see somebody on a bike riding past, I pretty much sold the bike to him. Normally I'm the one who sold that bike to that person. It is quite funny. So, we looking forward to watching Jungle Book, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah? Exactly. Why did you like this film then, babes?
It
Explain.
reminds me of me.
Why?
Because I used to have a bob when I was little.
A bob?
Yeah, haircut.
Yeah.
And I cut my fringe off, which made it go all taffy.
Mm-hmm.
And I used to run around in my red knickers. And just my red knickers.
That's nice. That's nice. So that's where we normally park, just there. And this mug is just propped there. Body hurts. Okay, so we're going back to the car because I forgot my wallet. Well, actually, where was it?
By the joystick.
By the joystick. For some reason, Chaz laughed at that. Why, I don't know.
Everybody hurts.
Alright, so have the wallet.
Take two.
Do this clap. There it is. We're just waiting to go in. So there's the pop. There she is. Hey. These seats are the ones that are just higher than the rest, as you can see. In Charles, oh, I got loads of like flicker by you. Whee!
Like someone like you.
Probably to pull this, man.
Yeah.
Ta-ra, babes. Bye bye. So, Jungle Book, eh? Yeah, it was an alright film. You know, the whole movie though, I was trying to figure out who the actors were playing the actual characters. It winded me up. Just couldn't picture the actors, so I'm gonna have to search up the cast layers because it's gonna wind me up otherwise. But yeah, anyway, so just dropped off Charles. It was a good night again. It's nice to go cinema night like always. And that will be it for this vlog today. So I'll see you on my next one. Bye. How awesome is this? We thought that was the only place down there. We just hopped over the fence a little bit just to like have a look, but we've just been walking down and we found this thing that overlooks this thing. This monstrous